Hey guys, welcome back. This is Rando Geek, and I just got a quick read for you guys. This article was actually published 2 days ago, but I didn't get a chance to do a recording on it yet. I'm kind of just picking and choosing some of the articles that I want to present and which I feel are a little bit more important than others. But this is definitely on the list. It looks cool. Basically, we're going to be seeing a new WhatsApp beta update. As many of you know, if you have the WhatsApp application installed on your phone, you probably already know that it's been looking the same for a while. So the idea behind this new update is to basically make it look a little more sleek, more modern with how the Instagram app looks with the navigation bar at the bottom. I guess it's easier to find everything. It also just gives it more of like a cleaner look, and it goes more with how today's apps are. So I will leave a link for the article in the description below, so you guys can read along whenever you want. Share with someone else. So basically, like I said, we're going to be receiving a new WhatsApp update. However, it's just in beta right now. So it looks like if you want to be part of the beta list, you're going to have to go to the Play Store. Looks like we're currently on version 2.23.8.4. And you'll basically have to participate in the beta program. This way you can, when it's available, you can test it and, be the first to let them know if you like it or dislike it. So the article goes on to say WhatsApp hasn't had an app update in a while, or design update, sorry. And that basically that the biggest change is that they want to make it look cleaner, look more like Instagram, and bring that bottom navigation bar. They're also saying that Facebook should be updating their app as well. I guess Meta, aka Facebook, is basically looking to have all their apps simplified now and look the same pretty much. I guess this way it's just easier for everyone to navigate around and utilize everything. So, we see a preview of what it's going to look like. And it looks good. It looks clean. I like it. It definitely looks newer, a little more sleek, modern. I don't know. What do you guys think? It's a very short article, but I thought it was worth mentioning because WhatsApp is a huge, it's a huge app for Android. It's been around for a while now. Many people use it to communicate, share photos, make calls. It's in a way it's close to iMessage. Not everybody likes, the Messages app by Android. So WhatsApp gives you a little bit more of like an iOS feeling. So if you have Android, you're not really missing out too much because you can chat with iOS users and it just works better. You can send photos. We all know about the blue-green war. So, I don't know. What do you guys think? You're excited? If so, let me know. Anyway, I thought it was worth mentioning. Alright guys, thank you so much for listening, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.